Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Jakara, and today we're going to be unboxing two luxury handbags.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly, look in my eyes.
So, if you've been around here a while, you will know that I love handbags, as you can see from my handbag wall here. And I decided to get myself a couple of new ones for my birthday. And my birthday was a while ago, so it just took a while for me to save up to get them. And I got these bags through Fashionphile, which is one of my favorite places to go for pre-loved bags, and they always have really good selection. I think the prices are reasonable. They do allow you to have a kind of payment plan if you'd like, and that works great for me because that's usually what I utilize, and it helps me to save up so that I can get the bags of my dreams. So without further ado, let's get started. Here we go. Let's start with the smaller one first. Put that one here. And just need something to open it up with. Let's see. All right. This is a true unboxing, so I haven't seen these yet, okay? Get this side too. Okay. It's a struggle. As you can see, the Fashionphile here says thank you, and it says from the bottom of this box, thank you. I love the way they package their stuff, and I don't know which one is which, so it's going to be a nice surprise for me. So let's see. Comes like this. They always put all this confetti in here and stuff like that. So it says used is the new. I believe that for real. Used is the new. Put this down. And it comes in this dust bag. They always send a dust bag, even if the original doesn't have a dust bag. So I think I know what it is, because just by the way it feels, I'm excited. Let's open it up. Let's open it. Ah, yes! This is a Gucci bamboo handle top handle bag. If I can get this off of here, get it out. Perfect size. I love the size. It's got like a mohair cheetah print. I love it. And it's got the traditional Gucci blue and red webbing for a crossbody strap if I want to use that, or a shoulder strap, which I probably won't use this as a shoulder strap. I might use it as a belt actually. But it's got a compartment here with a little pocket back there, and then on this side there's another compartment and another pocket in the front, and it's suede on the inside. It's like a micro suede. So I am so excited. This is my new Gucci bag. Now I got it for a really reduced price because it has a little imperfection, as you can see here, but I don't care. I don't care. I think what I'm going to do is like maybe kind of stain this area a little bit with some tea or coffee or something, just so it looks a little bit like this brownish yellowish color here. So yeah, I don't care that there's a little rough side here, but Actually, it's just really smooth. The mohair kind of came off. I don't know if you can see here. So, yeah, if I hold the bag this way, you won't be able to tell anyway. So, I'm so excited. I love this bag. It was just something I saw on the website, and I thought, you know what, I don't have a cheetah print bag or, you know, animal print bag, so let me get this Gucci one. And also, I've always wanted a Gucci top handle with the bamboo, and it's got pearl details on the side, as you can see here. Such a beautiful bag. And like I said, the strap I'll probably use as a belt or something, because I don't really use kind of crossbodies for the most part. I usually just, you know, use the top handle part. So that is bag number 1. Put that to the side. And now bag number 2. I know what this one is, because now I know which 2 I ordered. So let's see. I have it on the right side. I hope this is the right side here. Where's my little opener? Oh, okay. All right. Here we go. Bag number 2. And if you ask me why I got 2 bags, well, they were just the right bags at the right time. I know I wanted to get a couple bags for my birthday, since I hadn't been able to really shop the way I wanted last year or the year before. So yeah, here we go again, the confetti everywhere. There's the thank you card, authenticity card, the receipt in here. Let's pull this out, and here we go, here we go. So excited. Oh, I've been wanting another one of these bags for a while, and I needed this particular color slash finish to a bag, and I am so excited. It is a Lady Dior, a silver Lady Dior metallic. I love it. I needed a silver bag. I have only one silver bag. I think I mentioned this on my wish list for 2022. The things I wanted to get for myself, and I wanted a bag that I can wear no matter what time of year, and I wanted a silver metallic one, and I love the finish of this. I just love it. Oh my gosh, it's a medium size, which is a perfect size. It's not too big for me. I can put everything I need in there. And I'm looking at the bag, and I'm telling you right now, it is in perfect condition. Perfect condition. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. And it comes with a shoulder strap as well. I usually just keep these inside the bag. I usually just keep them inside, and then it has a zip on top, and then there's a little pouch in the back. You probably can't see it, but that zips open, and then it's just open in the middle. The inside of it is like a black, it's just black leather. But oh my gosh, look you guys. So excited. Oh my gosh. This is my second Lady Dior, and after I got the first one, I knew for a fact that these were the bags for me. So look forward to more Lady Dior's on this channel in the future. So excited. Anyway, that is it, you guys. Those are my 2 bags that I got for my birthday, which was way back when, but I had been saving up for them and I finally got them, and I cannot wait to wear these things. If you have any questions about where I got it, how I got it, the prices, everything, just leave them down in the comment section below. I appreciate you here. I appreciate you watching my video. If you like this type of video, please give me a thumbs up. There'll be more of stuff like this to come, and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. I would love to have you here as part of our family, so if you can go ahead and subscribe, that'd be awesome as well. And I'll see you in the next video. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. In the meantime, take care.
Talk to